What's going on, everyone? Point Counter 8 that wants to how to optimize your copy setup in 2026. For the conversion, one shall was go couple to new doubts the 160 setup. Even with perfect proxies and a fast bot, an incorrect billing address, expired payment method, or improperly formatted profile will result in a declined transaction. This covers how to build, optimize, and manage checkout profiles for maximum success across all platforms. A checkout profile is a safe set of personal and payment information that your bot or browser uses to complete purchases. A typical profile includes your first and last name, email address, phone number, shipping address, billing address, if different from shipping, credit card number with expiration and CVV, and preferred size for sneakers. Building effective profiles comes down to a few key rules. The fastest checkout in the world fails if the billing address doesn't match the card. Double check every field against your card issuer's records. The name must match exactly, including middle initials. The billing address must match what your bank has on file. The zip code is the most commonly verified field and must be exact or not ultimately intact. Each profile should be tied to a specific account and proxy combination. Warning consent. Profile A uses account A, proxy A, card A, and address A. Profile B uses account B, proxy B, card B, and address B. Never mix profiles across accounts since this creates linkable patterns. Warning bueno ever model partner follows both means should see in the win bill. The video different questions on line kit ever model bill touch Use different credit cards for different profiles. Mixing card types like Visa, MasterCard, and Amex adds variety. Virtual cards from services like Privacy. Company can generate unique card numbers, though some sites decline virtual cards. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay are the fastest checkout options on supported platforms. Get you out to the one safe to Nike account itself, not just in the bot. Use Apple Pay on iOS for fastest payment processing. Verify your phone number on each account. The shipping address must be a real deliverable address. Phone loans, phone post all life of a keep clots and cases. Phone number and email. Shopify remembers returning customers, so use the same email or phone consistently per profile. Autofill settings vary by bot, so test your Shopify checkout flow before drops. For Footsites, save payment methods on Foot Locker, Eastbay, and Champs accounts. Verify email and phone on each account. Footsites are strict about billing and shipping address matching. On Ticketmaster, save payment methods on each account. Ticketmaster supports PayPal, which is useful for diversifying payment methods. Verify that fund presale codes are assigned per account. Address jigging, slightly modifying addresses to avoid duplicate detection, has become less effective as platforms improve address normalization. Adding apartment or unit numbers like 123 Mine State versus 123 Mine State up to 1 sometimes still works, as do abbreviation variations like street versus cent. Adding CO with a different name is another option that occasionally gets through. Adding random characters after the street name, using labels like floor 2 or suite B on residential addresses, and slight misspellings are mostly detected now. The better approach is using genuinely different addresses from friends, family, PO boxes, or your workplace. Real address diversity is far more reliable than jigging a single address. When managing 10 or more profiles, keep a secure spreadsheet or database tracking each profile's details. Before each drop, verify all payment methods are current and not expired. Test one small purchase per profile per month to confirm payment processing works. Update addresses if you've moved or if delivery fails. Rotate email and phone numbers if any accounts get flagged. For payment speed, Apple Pay and Google Pay are fastest, using biometric authentication for instant approval. Shop Pay offers near-instant one-tap checkout on Shopify sites. Pre-authenticated PayPal is fast but adds a redirect step. A safe credit card runs at standard speed, with the bot filling in the CVV automatically. Manual card entry is the slowest and should be avoided when possible. Some sites accept prepaid cards, but many hyped releases like Nike and Foot Locker reject them. Real credit or debit cards from major banks have the highest acceptance rate. That is a scope inside the count, your proxy count. If you run 10 proxies, you need 10 unique profiles. Start with 5 to 10 and scale as you add more proxies and accounts. A mismatched billing address can result in a declined payment, an order cancellation post-purchase, or successful but delayed processing. Always match exactly. You can use the same name, address, or card on Nike and Foot Locker, since different platforms don't share data. But don't use the same profile for multiple accounts on the same platform. For US-only sites, use a US address with a freight forwarder if needed. Match your proxy location to the site's target country. Make sure your payment method is from the same country as the site. That wraps up automated checkout profiles for 2026. Head over to dataresearchtools.com for more guides on proxies, web scraping, and beyond. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.